Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Thomasville version of Cruz Ramirez, which is a factory custom. There is a Tomica version of this. Sadly, I do not own it, but maybe I will get it someday in the future. Now this Cruz is based on Louise Nash, which I will compare her to later on in this video, as we can see in the background there. Now before you do check out this video, make sure you check out yesterday's video on Thomasville the King, who is based on Floyd Morgan, which they did do in, the 1/55 scale diecast. And of course he is also based on, I guess, Parker Breakston, I believe his name is. I didn't mention him at all in that video, so I do apologise for that. But yeah. Today we'll be taking a close look at Cruz. Now she is from the Expanded Universe series, so she didn't appear in the movie. Any short or any images of her were seen. But she does have that very, very nice expression. You've got a nice smiling expression here, as we can see on the headlights. We can see if we zoom in on the camera, she's got that Dynaco logo. Zoom in. As we can see, Dynaco gasoline. There we go, very nice. She is, of course, got that Dynaco in pink. Number 51. Very, very nice. Looks pretty cool all around. We've got the roof flaps on the top. We've got Dynaco as well on the spoiler there, in a nice burgundy colour. Dynaco on both sides. We've got the number 51, Dynaco gasoline again. Very nice. We've got the exhaust pipes down here. We've got the Cruz Ramirez's rims. You can see the back there, which does read 51 again. Nothing on the back at all apart from the 51. And here is the other side. And here is the base, made in China. No new, of course, markings at all to let you know it is an official release. That's how you guys can tell. If I zoom back out to one, we can see her in her full. I did want to compare her to Louise Nash. This is the Heyday version. Now, I do have a box one. I got this in a bundle. I believe I paid like 20 quid for the bundle, and she was in it. I just thought, you know what, why the heck not, and display her. Very nice screenshot worthy moment there. And there. And of course, there as well. So you can see the differences. She doesn't have the Dynaco logo. Cruz should have her, Dynaco Cruz or Cruz Ramirez is on the top there, like Louise Nash does. This is the regular version of Louise Nash, which I got in Toys R Us back in 2017 before they closed. You can see it is definitely based on the racing version, or the current day Louise Nash. Although the 51 seems to be a lot darker than the 94. Pretty cool. And of course, Louise Nash is Pity is Sweet Tea. So can't go wrong without showing her. I do actually have a Tomica version of Heyday Louise Nash. So, pretty nice. I got this in a bundle. I paid 80p for each Tomica version that I've got. And, you can't go wrong with 80p with working suspension. Maybe a review on her is due soon. Not in any time soon either. Did quickly want to compare her to her regular Dynaco version. Dynaco, very nice. Got to mention the gas cap on her, or fuel cap. Dynaco, Dinosaur, very, very nice. And this was one of the first releases from, China with Cruz with the window bars. And you got to show the two together, McQueen and Cruz. Can't go wrong with it. Sorry for knocking the phone there. But I also have this extremely rare variation with the Daredevil McQueen eyes, as we can see. So yeah, comment down below which is your favourite. Is it Cruz or McQueen? To the very next video, which will be tomorrow, like normal. Peace, everybody.